Hey guys, so recently we had a lot of our fruit trees that were attacked by deer. So I looked on YouTube and it seems like the easiest way to take care of deer is to use Irish Spring soap. And this is my preferred method. You can just get a nylon, a knee-high, and you just simply, you can put an entire soap in if you want to, or if it's too heavy for your branches of your fruit tree, you can cut your soap in half. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put it in the nylon. So we bought 10 pairs of knee-highs for about $6 at Walmart. So we got 20 of them, and we got 12 bars of Irish Spring soap for about $7. So now we're gonna go and we're gonna tie this to the branches of the fruit trees so that the deer smell the scent and don't want to nibble on our buds or scrape on our bark. So here we are, we're gonna tie this around the branch. Easy peasy. Look how fast this is, guys. This is totally worth it. From what I understand, there's multiple ways you can try to deter deer. You can put a fence enclosure around your fruit tree. You can hang up some Irish Spring soap. I even have this hunch that if you paint the bottom of your trunk, it can deter the deer from nibbling on it. If you use a water-based indoor paint and mix it with some water, about 50-50 solution, you can do that. And that might protect the bark from getting nibbled on. But by and far, the easiest and the most effective solution that I've been able to find people talking about is by hanging Irish Spring soap. You know, you could tie a string, but it seems like these knee-high nylons are probably the easiest way to go. Thanks for watching!